Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. Here we have a heat exchanger, Access Point heat exchanger, that's been set up for a customer, and we're using this Blue Baron frame here that's in the process of fabrication as a supportive prop, just to kind of give you a simulation of what will occur when the installation is done to the customer's truck mount. He has a heat exchanger for a oil fired, and it's just not too dangerous, too messy, not working out for him, so he chose to purchase our #1 nation's heat exchanger technology, the Access Point heat exchanger. It's 18 inches long by 8 inches, and on this side we have the 3/8 male pipe thread, and with that it doesn't matter which side you connect the hot or cold water, it's all within the loop infrastructure, so it doesn't really matter. But we often say that you should always put a check valve on the cold side coming off your unloader. That way you keep everything going in a unidirectional fashion, nothing backflows, everything goes in a forward direction, because you want to keep the heat away from external devices like your unloader as well as your pump. So with all of this, we have one of the nation's top machined, all stainless header. We build them for the larger block engines as well as the smaller block. It's a 1 inch. It's what we call the split header, which allows you to get true mating, because the problem when you're doing welding, oftentimes you get a lot of migration on one side or the other. It often makes it just much easier to make it into a split header. And that being said, we offer flex hose for sale as well as fittings, and in this case always connect a flex hose between your header and your heat exchanger. This will absorb the energy and the vibration of the engine and minimize the wear and tear on your heat exchanger as well as your other external components, or the header and the interconnects. So here is the Access Point heat exchanger that a guy ordered, and the install will be coming up soon. And this basic setup is a little different from the Blue Barons, whereas the H-style is on the other side, and it's a 1.5 coupling. He wanted a 1 inch, so you got a 1 inch female coupling TIG welded to the body of it, and then we have our pipe flanges, which will involve that interconnection of that flex hose, that 1 1/4 flex hose. We can go at any height, tailored for your truck mount. So we understand that there's every situation is a little different, so we're willing to work outside the box and helping you make it fit your unit, and that's what makes us special. We're open on Saturdays too. We can actually make diagrams and ways to fit your heat exchanger, best place to mount it on your truck mount, your specific truck mount. We also do the Prochem After Markets. That's been a problematic industry. The Prochem had heat exchangers that were helical wrapped with a bracket system that created a lot of hardship and leaking. So we are also the Prochem people that we actually are the ones that actually do the aftermarkets for the Prochem industry. And to keep your Prochem machines running strong, why get a new truck mount when you can replace it with a better buffered system that actually is higher performing, will take really high pressure, up to 3,500 pounds pressure, and be able to adapt it into your Prochem Legend or Performer 405, just to name a few. We also do the Cub XL as well as the Blazer Plus. We have 3 OEM templates that we use. This is one of the templates that we use for the Performer 405 as well as the Legend SC. The same template fits. They wanted to save some money, so they use the same template for all the different models, many different models. So that's what we use as a means of matching the feet as well as the inlet. Now this universal style here we sell a lot of for guys out there that have different truck mounts. It doesn't matter, Steamway, Namco, Chemtex, Amtex units, Steam Genies, all kinds of truck mounts out there that we can adapt this excellent heat exchanger to. And I think you'll be very impressed by the stability of the heat, and the quick rise of temperature far exceeds anything out there. We are the only ones in the nation that do this with our patented heat exchanger, and we'll help you in every way that we can to make it work for you, so you can go out there and keep making money. Hold your checkbook. Do not write that check out for 20 grand, because we'll save you the money you don't need to spend, and keep food on the table, and keep you paying bills, and keep that money rolling in like you want it to. Okay? And we want you to be successful in this industry. So call us today at 727-505-2989. You can also reach us at factorydirecttruckmounts@gmail.com, or P. Garland. This would be Blue Baron, Pete Garland, or P. Garland at bluebaronmachines.com. Either way, go into our contact forms of our website, and you can communicate with us there as well. Call us today, and we'll help you out in any way we can. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.